Welcome to Better Life. Words are powerful and impactful too. Our words not only influence us but through these people around us make up perceptions of our personalities. Thus, it is necessary we should know the usage of appropriate words. Instead of these rough words, here in this video we are going to share 7 words you should replace now. Number 1 is can't. Instead of saying I can't, replace it with something positive. Saying can't indicates that you are not skillful. People take it as you can't do something because you lack the necessary skill. Don't focus on the things that you can't do. Rather, focus on the things you can do or give the logic and explain it. Just like instead of saying I can't drive the car, say I don't yet know how to drive because I am learning to drive. Number 2 is try. Just like the word can't, try suggests the lack of confidence one have. Further, it also indicates one's doubt in his own abilities. If someone assigns you a task, take full responsibility. However, if you are not ready, offer an alternative. But never say that you will try it. It sounds tentative and people will take it wrong, thinking that you will never try at all. Number 3 is hate. Hate is a powerful negative word. It is associated with negative emotions. If you use these negative words, then these words not only impact on your brain and also people perceive you as negative person. And if you are using it in your professional circle, it can bring down the morale of your group. Change your words, change your personality and brain altogether. Using more positive words led to positive thinking and behavior. Use of negative words increase the activity of your brain's fear center that produce stress-causing hormones that inhibit logic and reasoning. Use word prefer instead of saying I hate this job. Prefer sounds more logical. For example, you can say I prefer cooking over cleaning instead of saying I hate cleaning. Number 4 is impossible. Nothing in this world is really impossible. Things can be rather difficult or challenging but not really impossible. Saying this word shows one's lack of knowledge and skill. People might think you are not capable to do a certain task. It also limits your abilities and gives your brain a signal that you are not enough able to finish the job. So instead of saying impossible, say difficult or challenging. It indicates that though the task is difficult, however, you will come up with solutions and finish the task with just little more extra effort. Number 5 is failure. Failure is another negative word you should stop saying immediately. Saying that I am a failure leaves negative impact on your mind about your own personality. According to one of the world's leading researchers on happiness, if you want to develop satisfaction throughout your life, you should engage in positive thinking about yourself. So you should choose positive words when you are going to talk about your capabilities. Just say that I am learning instead of word failure. Learning is an ongoing process and shows that you are trying to grow. Number 6 is but. I want to join you but I don't have time. I am interested in the business but I have short of money. How these phrases sounds? Definitely these phrases show a person is not willing to perform a task or he is giving excuses. Saying but lose your credibility. Never use such words in your conversations that may damage your word. Instead of saying but, you can use and, because use of but also points out you are not interested. However, when you say and instead of but, it doesn't impact badly on your conversation. For example, you can say a previous phrases like this: I want to join you and you know that at that time I am busy in my office. This adds explanation to your statement and don't sound rude, so the other person will be more able to understand your situation. Number 7 is problem. Whenever you encounter a challenging situation, it seems to you a problem. And when you use this word, it shows that there is no solution for the situation. Instead of saying a problem has come arrived, say challenging situation arrived. It shows though the situation is difficult but it could be solved. When you take it as a problem, you really don't bother to solve it because your mind will see it as a problem rather than a challenge, and you will never make efforts to solve it. Words are powerful and meaningful too, so choose them wisely while speaking and communicating because they can either benefit you or ruin you. Always think twice before speaking and see how it could impact on your life. So this was our today's video. Hope you have liked this video. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Up till next video, take care.